Hi, I'm Cheryl White with Rug Cooking Central. Our sit-on frame is comfortable and easy to work with whether you're sitting on the sofa or a kitchen chair. Positioning your backing is a snap, and repositioning is just as easy. Just lift it up and put it down wherever you want. You can simply turn the frame to whatever position you need to work in.